Hi everybody, this is Maria with WTI.
Let me show you why I love this Xtreme professional hair gel and how I can achieve these beautiful, very defined and bouncy curls with this gel. I started by dividing my hair into sections to make it easier for me to apply it. I also make sure that my hair is wet for it to keep its hydration, and then I take a little bit of gel and start applying it from top to bottom. I really like that this gel doesn't leave my hair feeling dry. And I also like that I don't feel a very strong smell coming from it because of my allergies, so I can use this as many times as I need during the week. As you can see, my fingers go through my hair very smoothly, and my curls end up being very defined and very bouncy, also very shiny, and my hair has movement. I don't have to worry about frizzy hair. So this is the result when I do my wash and go, and it takes about 20 minutes for it to finish.
I love this gel and I know you're gonna love it too when you get it. That's my purchase.